How could you try to get me caught? Well, not so psycho. Good news, Fernando Jean. CBB's bug saved me.
This is your last chance. I am going to destroy.
This is the 5th time that you tried to destroy me. Good news.
Do you think you can do it in your next count? Well, you know what? I will take over the world to see how you like it.
Oh no, if you're not, my evil clone. How dare you try to take over the world? You should know taking over the world is never works. Instead of grounding you like Noble, I decided to sending you to the BND of Doom logo. So, I will press the button to send you to the BND of Doom logo in 3, 2, 1. No problem, Nori from here, Doogie, and use your 40-second count. Eat more until your mode will be darkness. Anyways, I'm off to go. See you later.
Bye. Did you really think you could take over the world? Well, you can't, because taking over the world couldn't work. Good news, the Frenchman to kick 24 saved me from his evil clone. And for this...
Not so fast. Remember 155 the Spooky King? How dare you do that to the troublemakers? That's it. I will stop them once and for all. We will with all of our might. That is if you can. That is if you can. That is if you can.
Okay then. Stopping me couldn't work. And the good thing is, Dave Clark 5 saves me from classic William.
That's it. I am going to kill you right now.
You are going to Brazil.
Killing threats don't work. Good news, Brazil sent evil BBC player to Brazil. I will kill you, Spooky King, and everyone who saved you. Oh no, you don't. How dare you try to do this to Nori? And by the way, how about this? Don't worry, Nori. I saved you. Here's your 45th count. Thanks for your help. Now get prepared for the dark red background to be changed. You failed for trying to kill me for the 9th time. Good news, Dollhouse 2024 from Bluey saved me from his evil.
You son of a...
No, you better not, and leave my friend alone. No, I will die. He's your 86 fashion fail count. MMA 155 to speak again. Now I will go. Thanks for your help. You failed to kill me in multiple times. Good news, Bluey saved me from me, UTTP THDTC.
Oh my god. How dare you do that to the troublemakers? You'll know that doing to the troublemakers is really a bad thing. That's it.
Would you stop killing me for the 11th time already? But the good news, the animals saved me from real grainy to soccer UTTP THDTC. And for this, that should be a 47th count. 3 more into the spec and will be darkness.